The suspect is approaching a stop sign. You notice the lights are activated. He refuses to stop. Going to the stop sign, he didn't make a complete stop. He breezed through, made a left on First. Lights still activated. Approaching the next stop sign, where he failed to stop. Makes a right. He makes the decision to stop in the 400 block of 11th. Pay close attention to when he exits the vehicle. You would see him have a weapon in his left hand. He's going to transition the weapon from his left hand into his right hand. And take a combative stance towards the officer. A combative stance towards the officer. I appreciate the Morgan County Sheriff's Office, District Attorney Scott Anderson. We understand the importance of public trust and will continue to forthcoming with our community.